Summer-like weather disappeared in a hurry today, feeling a lot more like March or even early fall conditions. The scene that we see on our WREX camera doesn't change much over the next 24 hours. We'll see plenty of clouds, some showers, and you note the trees blowing around. Windy conditions sticking around as well over the next day or so. We do look for a much different scene by the time we get to the weekend. But leading up to that point, look for weather just like this. Currently at 50. We did get up to 60 today, but have cooled off quickly since then. That might be the high for tomorrow. So the conditions that we have outside currently are probably what we'll see throughout much of the day for Friday. Cloudy conditions, breezy northeast winds to round out the current weather. You look on satellite and radar, busy afternoon across the Midwest. You travel a couple hours south, severe weather going on in southern Illinois and southern Missouri, even some flash flood warnings. Farther to the north into Wisconsin, blanketed by rainfall nearly across the whole state. So if you have some driving to do in that direction later on this evening, be prepared for a wet drive. East to west, looking quiet currently. Zooming in locally, we're beginning to get some of those spotty rain showers to work back into the state line. So right along and north of US 20 is where we see some light rain again. South of there, fairly quiet and dry for right now. You'll see on future track, though, rain expected to spread across the state line again. So we are in for a drizzly evening. Note there will be these little pockets of dry time, however, so not a complete washout, but we really don't dry out until we get to tomorrow evening. As you'll note, rain showers continuing to go throughout the rest of the night. At times late tonight, may get a couple quick downpours, but not really expecting much, if anything, for thunder. And then into tomorrow morning, possibly a quick break around sunrise before the spotty rain showers may return going into the late morning and afternoon. Winds are improving a little, gusts now down to about 25 miles per hour, expecting the winds to be a little blustery for the rest of the night and tomorrow, adding to the chilly feel that we have across the state line right now. Wind chills in the 30s in some spots. Didn't think we'd have to dust this map off late into May, but that's the case over tonight and tomorrow. 44 for tonight, scattered rain showers, some windy conditions at times, definitely staying cold, and that's what we'll deal with over the next 24 hours. You still have some traveling to do, heading out early tomorrow morning. Be ready for some spotty rainfall. Roads may not be completely dry, but not quite as soggy as what we're seeing currently. Northeast winds kicking in again, could gust up to 40 miles per hour at times, but likely just below that, still enough to blow you around just a little on the roads. And then, yes, wind chills in the 30s in the morning. We'll only have those for a couple hours, but kind of a rude awakening for our Friday with those extra brisk conditions. We struggle to warm from there, getting into the upper 40s, possibly up to 50 degrees, and that is about it. The record, coldest May 28th on record, 46 degrees, so I think we'll be close to record territory, but likely not tying or breaking that. That's not without trying. You can see as we go into tomorrow evening, barely to 50 degrees. Rain showers do seem to exit after about 7 o'clock, so a dry end to Friday ahead, and then we definitely see a dramatic turnaround this weekend. Sunshine's back on Saturday. We're back into the upper 60s. Still cool, but at least it's not the 40s that we're going to experience tomorrow. 70s for the rest of the holiday weekend. Monday does have a slight chance for rain. We'll keep an eye on it and let you know if there are going to be any stray showers you'll have to contend with into the holiday itself. Looking ahead from there, we get into June with much more June-like weather. Middle to upper 70s into next week. Some scattered showers and storms possible starting Wednesday. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, we have that summer heat back soon. 80s by next weekend, possibly pushing 90 by next Sunday, James.
Alex, thanks. It's a busy week for